the previous video I showed you that I invested $1 million in 10 stocks on July 20th. By the end of the month, the value had increased by 2%. Due to my mid-month investment, I bought some of the stocks after their ex-dividend dates, resulting in dividend payments from only 5 companies. You can refresh your memory about this process by checking the video titled The Magical Payment Process. As dividends were received from 5 stocks, I will include only the amount invested in these stocks when calculating the prospective future annual yield, assuming they maintain their current payouts. Keep in mind that I selected companies that increase their dividends over time or ones with stable dividends, so this projected annual yield is likely lower than the actual yield. However, it's the best metric available. To calculate this, I multiplied the rent by 12 and then divided it by the total investment. Now let's take a look at the stocks in the portfolio and delve into how I reinvest the dividends back into the portfolio to enhance my monthly income. On the first page of the statement, you can observe the starting and ending values of the month. The sixth page provides detailed information about the companies that pay dividends. I prefer this organized layout for easy tracking of dividends in the coming months. The fourth page displays the stock's performance. While the portfolio remained relatively balanced with some stocks declining and others experiencing slight gains, the standout contributor to the portfolio's growth was SLG. You can find out why on Yahoo Finance. My gain from SLG exceeded $16,000, translating to a remarkable 16.5% return. Instinctively, one might consider increasing investment in SLG. However, my primary focus is on generating income rather than capital growth. With the increased stock price, the dividend yield has naturally decreased. My intention is to boost the yield, so I'll explore opportunities among the stocks that have declined. Please note that it doesn't mean that if you invest for capital growth, a rising stock price is a sign to invest in it. Today is August 12th, which falls on Saturday when the market is closed. I plan to set a limit order for execution on Monday when the market reopens. My investment decision is not based on the month-end value, but the current value. I reviewed the charts of the stocks in my list, specifically targeting those trading below my purchase price. Based on my research, these companies are unlikely to reduce their dividends, but it's always wise to verify during a significant drop. Presently, the situation appears normal. I didn't attempt to time the market when I first purchased the stocks because I wanted to initiate the process and establish income. Now, with the monthly passive income, I can gradually refine my market timing. Within the watchlist menu, I selected Manually Sort and sorted the stocks based on yield from highest to lowest. My criteria for timing the market includes a low RSI and proximity to the bottom Bollinger Band. Ideally, at least in the beginning, the stock price should also be below my prior purchase price. There are a lot of good entry points, and I can invest in more than one company if I want. However, my available cash is limited, and I prefer to prioritize the stock with the highest potential payout. To get this information, I can check my investing journal. Upon reviewing the table, you'll notice that PFLT offers the highest yield, along with a relatively low RSI and a price close to the Bollinger Band. Considering that, the current price is lower than my initial purchase. This results in a higher yield, as illustrated in the table when the purchase price is adjusted. Presenting the account as of August 11th close, there's a notable difference from what was reflected in the statement. An account value reduction of $40,000. Fluctuations like this are commonplace in the stock market. There is more cash in the account thanks to the dividends distribution so far, which I intend to reinvest. For optimal results, it's advisable to invest almost all available cash in the account, making the most of its potential as quickly as possible. The price of PFLT is actually higher than what we observed earlier. This is because trading can continue after the market closes. Therefore, I shift my attention to HRZN, the next option with a high yield. My average purchase price is higher than the current value, which means the yield is better. You can also confirm this in the table. This is exactly what I was looking for. I place a limit order at $12.42, indicating that the stock will be purchased at that price or lower. I selected GTC, which stands for Good Till Cancel, meaning my order will remain active until I decide to cancel it. The order should be executed on Monday, August 14th. Surprisingly, the stock was bought now while the market is closed, probably because it's a paper account. I'm updating my investing journal. The date is August 12th. The quantity of shares purchased is 350, and the purchase price is $12.39. You can see that my future annual yield is now higher compared to the initial purchase, contributing to an enhancement in the overall average yield of the portfolio.